To go now, race number 6. Oh, horses out, count me in, Real Value, Radiant Talisman, now moving up in the middle portion. Real Value, Radiant Talisman, count me in, Magdapio in fourth, and in fifth, Taal Volcano, Peace Needed, Tawa, Warlock, and Ruler of Nations is racing in last. Now we have Radiant Talisman by our line, count me in second. Real Value is racing in third. Magdapio in four. Moving up to Al Volcano. Warlock, Peace Needed. Tawa. And Ruler of Nations still racing in last. With Radiant Talisman by about 2 lengths. Real Value now in second. Count me in third. Then here comes Warlock in fourth. Al Volcano in fifth. Peace Needed. Magdapio. Tawa. And Ruler of Nations with Radiant Talisman still the leader by about 3 lengths. Count me in, Real Value. Here comes Warlock together with Taal Volcano and Peace Needed with Radiant Talisman still in control by about 3 lengths. Here comes Warlock now in second. Count me in, Peace Needed. But it's still Radiant Talisman. Warlock on the outside. Moves up Warlock over Radiant Talisman. And finally, it's Warlock. Radiant Talisman, Peace Needed, close. Tawa. Count me in, Taal Volcano.
Bayang Karirista, para sa inyong race number 6, magkakopol pa. 1 horse, Warlock and Radiant Talisman. Dito ang ating unofficial winner. Numero 1, Warlock with JG Serrano. Masa segundo kakopol niyang si 1A, Radiant Talisman. Numero 7, Peace Needed, papapasok para sa inyong